If you're anything like me, you're always on the hunt for a good deal for your car wash, car detailing, sort of garage home needs. And in today's video, we're gonna be highlighting some of the fantastic deals that I just found yesterday at my local Costco. Now, most of these deals aren't the same price as they are online on Costco.com, so make sure you just go into your store and look for these things. Aside from that, I will link some comparable items that are a fantastic deal as well down in the description for you guys so you can check that out also. So first things first, right when I walked into the store, there was a big display of this guy right here, the Dewalt 8-gallon 5 peak horsepower shop vac. Now this thing comes with some fantastic accessories, including a 12-foot power cord. Like I said, 5 peak horsepower, which is my recommended solution for car detailing needs at least. Now the 5 horsepower isn't exactly true across the board. They will still have different amounts of water lift and things like that, but I think 5 horsepower is a good rule of thumb to use when you're looking for something for your car. Now I did a review on another Dewalt vacuum in the past, and that was like a super quiet version. I'll link that down in the description and as well as up here for you guys so you can check that out. But that thing was awesome and super quiet. This is not that, this isn't the quiet version, but still a fantastic option. So we're just gonna pop off the top really quickly, and this will expose our hose as well as our filter and a bunch of accessories. Now the accessories that it comes with are fantastic, but the main point that I wanna make to you guys is this. They give you a 7-foot crush-proof hose. Fantastic hose, way better than what the Rigids or whatever else come with. This is a great hose. This is very similar to the one that I recommend from Rigid. That's the aftermarket kit. It's a 10-foot hose and a smaller diameter, but I love that thing. And this will work with that as well. So if you want to upgrade your hose, you still can do that. But the fact that they give you a crush-proof hose like this with a swivel built into the connection point, fantastic. Now for me, there's one negative to this thing. It's kind of a positive and negative at the same time, and that is the stainless steel construction. I think it looks super cool, super clean. However, you will get fingerprints over time, and if you can see here, it flexes. You can dent this thing, and as a professional car detailer, dents in metal bug me to no end. So once again, the stainless steel construction looks fantastic. It's just over time, I know for me, if it's in my Vans, it's gonna get beat up. That's why I prefer a standard kind of the plastic tub. And I'll link the one that I love the most, the one that I always use, this little square kind of toolbox shape, no wheels on it. I prefer no wheels so it doesn't slide into the car, but if you're working around your garage, having wheels is fantastic. This one does come with wheels. And this thing is on sale at a fantastic price, guys. This thing is normally $89.99, which is already a good price for a vacuum of this power, but it is currently $20 off, bringing it down to $69.99. This deal is going to be running until June 18th, so make sure you get to your local store, check this thing out if you like it. And one last thing, guys, I will be doing a full-blown review on this at some point. I just wanted to get this video up for you guys right away since the deals are ending soon. Okay, now next up is going to be a battery jump starter and power bank all in one. This is from Type S. I've done a review on an older style that they had at Costco in the past, and this thing's fantastic. I absolutely love it. I love these tiny little portable battery jump starters. As a professional detailer, sometimes you're working, cleaning a vehicle, the doors are open, and if the battery wasn't fully charged or in good condition in the beginning, having those doors open, sometimes you're finished up, you go to start the car, and it's dead. Having this on hand at all times, or just as a backup in your own personal car, I think it's essential. They're fantastic to have. This one from Type S is normally $69.99, and it's currently $15 off, so we're bringing it down to $54.99, which is a fantastic deal for a little battery jump starter. This deal is going till July 3rd. Now, as I was working my way through that section where the big Costco microfiber Kirkland towels are, on the end cap, there was a big display of the Turtle Wax Hyperfoam. This is the bright green stuff. I did a review on this in the past as well. Again, link down in the description for you guys so you can check that out. This soap was great. I liked it a lot. It foamed well, smells good, works. It does exactly what it intends to do. It is pH neutral, and this stuff comes in a 1-gallon size, normally $14.99, currently $3 off to $11.99. This deal, like the Dewalt, ends on June 18th. Now for all of you that are just washing your car with a regular standard garden hose, keeping it simple, there's 2 options for you for your garden hose needs. There is a new retractable garden hose. It's 100 feet long, 5/8 inch thick hose, and this thing retails for $139.99, which is a pretty good value, guys. Now, I didn't buy this thing, but I was looking at the store sample, and it looks to be good quality construction. Again, it's nice that it's from Costco, so if anything happens with it, you can return it. But the diameter of the hose is good. 100 feet's fantastic. It's a little bit long, but when it's on a retractable hose reel, it's easy to deal with. So I really like this thing. I actually have one from the Giraffe brand. It's a nice retractable garden hose. I did a review on that in the past, but they have some options. If you don't need the full 100 feet, I think they have a a 75-foot version that's right around 110 bucks, so that may be a better option for you. So I'll link that stuff in the description for you guys as well. But these retractable hose reels are fantastic. They just make life a lot easier. Now, as another option for a garden hose, we have this guy here. Now, it's not quite one of those expandable hose reels, which I'm not a huge fan of because they tend to pop over time. If you have any sort of nozzle on it that has a shut off, you know, and the water builds up in it, they tend to blow out. This thing is not quite that. This is a rapid flow hose, and it says rapid flow, hose performance reinvented. It's 100 feet long, 5/8 inch as well. It says 50% lighter weight than a heavy-duty vinyl hose. It resists leaks, abrasions, and punctures, kink-free and easy to maneuver, and rugged connectors, crush-resistant, built to last. Now, typically when I see hoses, even the expandable ones, all that kind of stuff, or traditional ones, for me, what I've seen for a 100-foot hose at 5/8 inch diameter, they're usually around $70 or up. This one's currently at your local Costco for $48.99, so it's a good value if you're looking for it. Assembled in the USA, which, you know, that's fantastic that it's assembled in the USA and they're providing jobs. The components are probably from overseas, but they are assembling here. Let's go ahead and pop this open and look at the construction a little bit. I just bought a new home, and the previous owner, it has a lot of property, and the previous owner left a bunch of hoses for me. They're all 100-footers, and they are a similar construction to this. And when I was speaking with the previous owner, he said that those things are unreal. He loves them. He wouldn't recommend any other hose. And this is the exact same type of construction as that one. It's got this smooth outer shell and then an inner component we can actually look at. As we can see here, you guys, this is the construction. You have the crush resistant connectors, dual sleeve for easy grip on the ends here, the strong abrasion resistant jacket, that's the part I was just showing you, and then a kink proof inner core. Delivers consistent high flow. And again, this isn't the same kind of thing as like the as seen on TV where it's a fully expandable where it shrinks down completely. It is expandable. It will fill and kind of stretch out a little bit, but not the same as those other ones. Now, as I said, guys, this thing is rated for 600 PSI. I'll be doing more reviews over this over time. I'm going to use it on my new property and kind of see how it goes. But I'm expecting to have good results. All the hoses at my house are left outside, so they wear black, they're more gray now, they're sun bleached, but performing fantastic. No issues with anything. So pretty much the same deal here. I think it's a 0G or something like that hose that I have at my house. And again, this seems to be a very similar construction to that. I'll show one of the 0G ones to see what the price is here. I actually don't even know. But if those are a good deal, then I'll link those down in the description for you. So that's it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to make a quick update video showing some fantastic deals at your local Costco that you should go get now if you're interested in them. Again, this one didn't show any expiration date. Neither did the retractable hose. I think they just may be a limited quantity for this time of year. But the Dewalt vacuum, the Turtle Wax, and the Type S battery charger or battery jump starter are all on a limited deal. So make sure to go get those if you're interested before they run out. That's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate all of you guys. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.